Hi, this is Brian Schiff with Functionally Fit. In this column, I'm going to demonstrate a sliding split squat using a kettlebell. This is an exercise that can be effective for improving lower body strength, also working on kind of good neutral spine alignment, stability throughout that pillar, and working on improving any asymmetries you may have side to side. I think the slider is effective in reducing any awkwardness as terms of a person stepping backward. It's just a little bit more fluid of a motion. So you'll pick your kettlebell, and then whatever foot goes on the slider, you're gonna hold the kettlebell in that hand to start out. And so we're gonna cue them to keep their head, chest up. Also tuck their navel in or draw their belly button toward their spine a little bit. It provides a slightly posterior pelvic tilt, which should help reduce any kind of lumbar hyperextension they may feel as they start to slide back. So again, cadence here will be slow. We'll slide back, nice pause at the bottom, and then you've got a fluid lift on the way up. I'm not in a hurry to do that. So probably at least a 2 count on the bottom, a 1 second pause, and then 1 to 2 seconds on the way up. Should you want to progress it or hold the kettlebell in a different position, you've got options. We can certainly go here in a traditional goblet squat type position. If you really want to challenge them in terms of torso control, you can hold it out front, or we can also go to more of an overhead press position here and slide and come up. One word of caution on that position, you're probably going to tend to go into a little bit more of an arch position in the lumbar spine, so you may have to be careful and really avoid too much hyperextension. People that have any kind of issues with their back, that's a more challenging position to do, but gives you a couple options for progressions. Certainly if you need to regress the exercise, reduce your weight, or simply do it without any weight at all.